What's going on, guys? P-Will back here for another video. Today I just want to chat with you a little bit about how I lost weight to join the military. So for those of you that don't know, before I joined the military 2 years ago, so 3 years ago, I lost the weight. I weighed 230 pounds. I'll throw a picture up right here. And then 1 year later, before I left for basic training, this is me. And I've talked a little bit about this before, but I'm gonna go through a little breakdown step by step of how I lost weight to join the military. And it's not what a lot of you guys are gonna wanna hear. There's really no magic secret. It's just hard work. And it comes down to a calorie deficit to lose weight. You can go out there and PT all day long, run long distances, run 10, 15 miles, but if you eat too much, you're going to gain weight and you're gonna gain fat. So how I did it, my biggest tip to lose weight is start keeping a food log or tracking your calories and or your macros. And the way I did this is I used an app on my phone called My Net Diary. It's pretty simple. You're gonna have to track your food for about 2 weeks to figure out, what are you typically getting on a day? What are you typically eating on a day? And you might find that you may think you're like, I couldn't be eating more than 2,300 calories a day, and you find out you're eating 3,500. And it can add up quickly, especially if you're eating out at restaurants all the time. So you're gonna need to learn how to cook, and you're gonna need, some basic meals, and you're gonna need to figure out how to track your calories in your phone. And on My Net Diary, it's pretty simple. You can look up, a little tutorial. But once you get consistent of what you're eating, track for 2 weeks, you will have all of that food in your database. So you can just copy and paste, oh, I'm eating 80 grams of oatmeal again. Well, I had this yesterday, copy paste, and it's done. Your 80 grams of oatmeal is tracked. And it's pretty simple. That's how you track your calories. You're gonna keep a food log and an app on your phone. And then from there, you're gonna need to find your maintenance calories. And I find that roughly maintenance calories is body weight times 15. So right now I weigh about 190. So 190 times 15 is 2850. So 2,850 calories is roughly what I need to maintain my weight. And if I wanted to lose a pound of fat a week, I would need to eat at a 500 calorie deficit. 1 pound of fat equals a 3,500 calorie deficit. So if you eat at 500 calorie deficit every day for 7 days a week, that equals 3,500 calories, and you will lose about a pound of fat a week. So no, it's not magic. You're not just gonna go out and run and start working out and thinking you're gonna lose fat. You can increase your metabolism and increase energy expenditure through activity, through running, through lifting weights, but it does come down to a calorie deficit. But you don't want to be eating so little. You don't want to go on a crash diet where you crash your metabolism. You're only eating like 1,000, 1,200 calories a day, starving yourself, because that's just going to trigger a pattern of binge eating. You want a slow, consistent weight loss plan that over a long period of time equals you losing your goal body fat, 20 pounds or so. That's another thing. You're going to need to give yourself plenty of time to lose weight. If you're joining you're leaving for boot camp next week, you really don't have time to do anything. It's too late. But if you're leaving for boot camp in 6 months, well, that's a potential of like 30 or 40 pounds, 50 pounds, depending on how aggressive you go, you can lose. So to lose fat and lose weight, you will need enough time. You will need to track your calories, and you will need to eat at a 500 calorie deficit every day. And now as you lose weight, you will need to start, if you lose 10 pounds, maybe you want to readjust and recalculate your macros from there on and so forth. Now there are PT plans that go along with it, but I talk about that a lot on my channel. If you need extra, PT plan and you want to build some muscle and, get really good at your PT test, I will have a video about that coming out. But just when it comes to pure fat loss and weight loss, how I lost weight to join the military, I gave myself enough time. I tracked my calories and ate at a 500 calorie deficit for a long period of time. I did incorporate intermittent fasting, but that is not necessary. It's all about your total daily macros. And if you do this over a consistent long period of time, you too can lose. I think I lost 60 pounds. I went from 230 to 170 before I left for basic training, and it took me a little over a year. So it's going to take time, but you will get there every day. You need to focus on the weekly progress. Look a little bit better each week, and over the course of 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you will look a lot better. So that is how I lost fat and weight to join the military. I hope this video helped you out. I'm sure there's going to be specific questions and comments down in the comment section below. Leave them. I'm going to be making follow-on videos to expand upon this topic. But just to get a quick video out for you guys, that is how I lost weight to join the military. I hope it helped you out. Come on over to my social medias. They're always in the description box down below. You can ask your questions over there, and I can make custom PT plans for you over there. And if you like the video, if it helped you out, please like the video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.